27 News starts with breaking news.
Thanks for joining us for 27 News at 10. I'm Rebecca Chung. We begin tonight with breaking news. Boeing workers have rejected a new contract proposal. This now means workers will resume their strike. Union members now head into their 6th week on the picket lines. The fallout comes just days after both sides agreed to a tentative deal. The latest offer would have included pay raises of 35% over 4 years. The union initially demanded 40% pay boost over 3 years. But workers say tonight the proposed deal didn't include restoring a company pension plan that was eliminated a decade ago. Hours before the vote, Boeing today says it lost $6 billion the previous quarter.